Hello and welcome to our math instructional video. In this video, we will be simplifying the integer exponent problem. 2 raised to the power of 5 minus 2 raised to the power of 2. Stay tuned as we walk through the step-by-step solution to this problem. Let's get started. To begin solving the problem 2 raised to the power of 5 minus 2 raised to the power of 2, we need to evaluate each term separately. Firstly, calculate 2 raised to the power of 5. This means multiplying the number 2 by itself 4 more times like so. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Finally, 16 times 2 is 32. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 5 equals 32. Next, calculate 2 raised to the power of 2. This means multiplying the number 2 by itself one more time. 2 times 2 equals 4. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 2 equals 4. Now we substitute back the calculated values into the original expression, replacing 2 raised to the power of 5 with 32 and 2 raised to the power of 2 with 4. This changes the expression to 32 minus 4. Now we perform the subtraction operation with the new values. The expression is now 32 minus 4. Subtraction requires taking the second number away from the first number. When subtracting 4 from 32, we count backwards from 32 by 4 steps. Starting from 32, we count 31, 30, 29, and finally 28. Therefore, 32 minus 4 equals 28. This is the final step. We have simplified the original integer exponent problem to arrive at the final answer. The simplified expression is 28. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.